Hello everyone. So today we have going to study about the cosine similarities. So before to know about the cosine similarity, we just need to know what exactly is the embedding. So embedding is the numerical representation or numerical vector representation of the text that captured meaning. Right? Similar text have a similar vectors, right? Then what means embedding? Once again, I am trying to explain. Embedding means if you have any text, so first we convert into the 0 1 representation. That is the called embedding. Now we are come to the cosine similarity. Only converting 0 1 format will not work. After that, we need to search the data once whatever we have stored as a text as a numerical representation. So need to search as well. So getting data from the database in 0 1 format, there is the cosine similarities method we use. What is the cosine similarity? A mathematical method is used to measure how similar two vectors, right? Minus 1 to 1. If they are completely similar, then the value will be 1. If they are not similar, then unrelated. If they are opposite, then the value will be a minus 1. Let's come to the our project, which we are just going to understand related to the cosine similarity. So here you can see from line number 4 to 10. This is a something like a database, right? A text we have, right? So this is your data set, and there is a approx 4 to 5 sentences we have, right, about the AI and sports. Now, what we are going to do here, we are going to convert our document into the embedding format. That is the here you can see get embedded, right? Our doc from the documents, right? After that, now our query is what is the AI and machine learning, right? So this is the our query. So that query we are getting from the get embedding, putting there and find the match, right? Okay. So compare the query with all the document, hmm, and compare it the embedding with the query embedding and calculate the similarity score. This tell how close this document to user question, right? So basis of that we will find what exactly value is. Right. So let me run and get all these things. Yes, you can see for artificial intelligence is the transforming the word, right? It's a approx what is the AI in machine 0.54% is similar. Machine learning is a subset of AI. It's a 0.664%. Deep learning improve the AI system. It's a 5.50%. I love playing cricket. This is not similar related to the football is the popular sport. This is also not. So you can see the value which is completely against. So for that we are getting minus value, which is not opposite but something like so far from our related text. So for that we are getting 0.075%, and these which is about similar are close to the context. We are getting point 0.5, point 0.6, right? So these are the things. So best match will give best score, and the best score if matching score of the AI is we are getting we can say approx 1 or 0.999%. So this is the best match, right? Again, I am telling you, if uh, value is semantic search value is minus 1, then it's a completely opposite. If it's 0, then not equal. So it's not same to the value. And if the value is 1, then it's the exact value what we are looking for. Means very similar things are there, then the value will be 1. If it's unrelated, then the value will be 0, and if it's completely opposite, then the value will be -1. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. And still, if you have any doubt, then please let me know. Drop me message, comment. I will try to resolve your query. Thank you.